Fleas aren't ideal house guests, but getting rid of them doesn't have to be a chore. Let's go over some simple ways you can keep fleas from overstaying their welcome in your home. There are 4 stages of a flea's life cycle to look out for. Flea eggs are smooth and white, and you'll typically find them where your pet sleeps. Larvae have a worm-like look and move a lot. A white cocoon is a sure sign of the pupa stage. Finally, as adults, fleas are flat, brown, and wingless. Now that we've gone over how to spot fleas, let's get rid of them. It's important to note that various life cycle stages may require different types of treatment. Since fleas are most often carried in by pets like cats or dogs, that's where you want to start. First, go over your pet's fur with a fine-toothed comb to remove any adult fleas, then drop them in soapy water. Next, bathe them using a specialized flea shampoo that eliminates eggs and live fleas. There are also lots of things you can do to prevent fleas from coming back. To stop fleas from latching onto your pet, consider using medications, topical spot treatments, or a flea collar. After your pet is flea-free, it's time to tackle your home. Vacuuming is ideal in every life cycle stage. Focus on places where your pet sleeps, then seal and dispose of the vacuum bag right after you're done. Washing your pet's bedding, as well as any throw rugs or pillows, will help get rid of fleas and eggs. Lastly, for wall-to-wall carpeting, foggers, powders, and sprays are effective in eliminating fleas in all stages. Even if you've removed fleas from inside your home, it's crucial to treat the outside as well by getting rid of dead plants and debris and spraying your patio and foundation, as well as under porches and decks. Regularly water and maintain your lawn, letting it soak up as much sunshine as possible. After it rains, reapply outdoor sprays, making sure to add extra treatments to areas that don't get as much sun. And that should do it. Give these simple steps a try and say goodbye to fleas. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.